delighted. We've just been crowned the first ever champion, Futsal UK Champions, and it's just unbelievable. And the scenes at the end there were incredible. The boys put in so much effort, so much hard work, so much passion and pride. It turned into a bit of a duel, and I think it's great to beat our arch enemies, England. So we're just thrilled.
It's quite some final as well, 6 goals, but end to end all the time. You couldn't take your eyes off it at all.
No, that's it. I mean, it's an exciting, fast-paced game. It's so close to fine margins. I mean, we were leading by 3 goals, but it could turn so quickly. So you could never rest on your laurels. We had to keep our composure, had to keep our discipline, even though it becomes such a high-intensity game. And we did really well, and just unbelievably proud of the players and the staff and everyone. They've put in so much hard work. So yeah, we're hopefully we've got a team to be proud of now. So there's lots of children there at the end, and the scenes were brilliant. So hopefully they've been inspired and they want to get involved in the game. Maybe some of them will get involved, and maybe they might progress to play for the national team one day. The FAW have been fantastic in terms of putting so much support into hosting this event. We're the first ones to host the tournament, and this is an annual event now. So this is something that we can really try and raise the awareness of the game, kick on now, and hopefully get more people involved, because we want to support football and support the development of players. But obviously there's some exciting pathways and national teams to get involved with as well. So yeah, it's just been an incredible experience, a great tournament.